Many Apple TV users are missing out on an incredible feature that can transform their viewing experience instantly. Welcome to this exciting walkthrough where we'll reveal how to effortlessly access IPTV on your Apple TV device. To get started, grab your Apple TV remote and navigate to the App Store. Let's dive into the action step by step. Now, it's time for a game changer. Install a recommended IPTV player app. Stay tuned to see which is the best choice for you. Here's the moment you've been waiting for, folks. We introduce you to 2TV.store, your ultimate IPTV provider. Imagine having all your favorite channels just a click away. This is what accessing IPTV through 2TV.store feels like. Now, linking your IPTV service with an Apple TV app might seem tricky, but it's easier than you think. Highlighting 2TV.store's simplicity. You get reliable support and premium content access, ensuring an uninterrupted experience. In a few clicks, you're transported to a world of endless entertainment. Here's why every Apple TV owner should consider this. Don't miss out on transforming your viewing routine. Delve into this IPTV journey to having amazing on-demand experiences. As we wrap things up, remember to check out 2TV.store for an unbeatable IPTV setup and elevate your Apple TV's capabilities.